Hey guys, welcome back to an update on Hurricane Erick, which is a major hurricane right now. 125 miles an hour and 950 millibars. I think it just exploded overnight. A couple of 110 to 115. No, go from 110 to 125. Perhaps it moved more further west than anticipated. So, and Puerto Rico's in there as well. It's gonna be like a quick update, so yeah, 125 miles an hour. So there, Eric's intensification continued through 1823 as an Air Force reconnaissance Hurricane aircraft near that time reported that the central pressure had fallen to 953 millibars. However, since a period when it was a little degraded suggests that intensification rate may have slowed. This may be due to an attempted annual replacement cycle, as the aircraft data suggests. The comet wind Maga during its pass through the center. The intensity is a little uncertain as the plane had to abort due to computer problems. Before it continued probe the northeastern eye wall, based on central pressure, the observed wind structure, and the various satellite intensity estimates, that initial intensity is set to a possibly conservative 110 knots. The initial motion estimates is northward at 228/8 knots. This motion should bring the center to the Mexican coast in the state of Oaxaca within the next 12 hours. Then with a subsequent northwest motion moving the system farther inland over southern Mexico over Thursday and Thursday night. The forecast guidance is especially the same as the previous advisory, and the forecast track has slightly nudged to the right based on current location and motion. Conditions continue to be favorable for strengthening, and it is possible that Erick could get stronger before landfall if the possible eye-wall replacement cycle completes. Regardless of additional intensification, rapid weakening is expected after landfall, and Erick is expected to dissipate over southern Mexico Thursday night or Friday. Key messages: Erick continues to intensify and is now a major hurricane. It's expected to become a major hurricane. It is expected to be a major hurricane when it reaches the coast of Mexico in western portions of the state of Oaxaca or eastern portions of the state of Guerrero, with the hurricane warning area early Thursday. Devastating wind damage is possible where the core of the storm moves. Unsure weather conditions are already deteriorating, and preparations to protect life and property should be rushed to completion. Erick will produce heavy rainfall across portions of Central America and southern and southwestern Mexico this week. Life-threatening flash flooding and mudslides are likely, especially in an area of steep terrain that's like mountain stuff. Dangerous, life-threatening storm surges are expected to produce coastal flooding near and to the east of where the center crosses the coast. In the areas of onshore winds, the surge will be accompanied by the large and destructive waves. So again, that was the discussion. Right, Recon is still in the storm, okay, and they did find a pressure of 954 millibars. But wasn't this the old one? Because they did find not 105 knot winds in both quadrants, southwest and northwest quadrant. And you can see the eye did not pop out at all. You know, it's a beautiful storm though. Good looking storm. It was. But the flight level pressure was. They get down to 950 millibars. Surface wind did get up to about 50 knots, 100 knots, maybe more. It's vertically stacked. Guys, these guys have been flying over 12 hours now. Recon has. It's going through an eye wall replacement cycle right now. You can tell. This is going to be its second eye wall replacement cycle. It's not going to complete it before landfall. You can see though. Look. See, look, yeah, pretty much it's just taking from that spot there. Look, it's just taking the westward motion, west-northwestward motion. Yeah, it's just going to practically start moving a bit more northwesterly. But I mean, this is it looks so good here. Let's go back. This is when it looks good, because it started doing its eye wall replacement here. And you can see it became more annular. It wasn't as annular here, but as it started doing the eye wall replacement cycle, it became more annular, and most of the convection is off towards this side of the storm. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely weakening now for sure. But yeah, anyway, guys, that was just a quick update on Major Hurricane Erick. It's the first major hurricane of the Eastern Pacific hurricane season, first major hurricane of the Northern Hemisphere season, and the strongest storm so far this year. So yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I guess I will see you for the next update. Stay tuned. Stay safe in Mexico from this hurricane, because this is a very powerful hurricane. Even though it's weakening, it can still cause some significant amounts of damage. So yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share. See you all in the next video. Peace, and have a great day.